Hi, my name is Tristan Smith and I'm a member of Team 5. My group is developing a game called Ice World Racing, which basically resides on a map that's covered in ice and snow. The objective of the game is for a character named Sam, who is separated from his family and is Eskimo, to locate them while facing many obstacles. There's going to be abominable snowmen, evil penguins you're going to have to avoid. The ground is going to crack. There's going to be icicles falling from the sky, meteors falling. There's just a lot of stuff you're going to have to avoid, and a lot of programming going to be involved to do it. I'm going to show you a few textures we have. Number one, we have a whole slew of cracks that we found online. Basically, this will enable us to overlay those over certain textures to give it a cracked effect. Then we can manipulate it and multiply it to get it one little crack to span throughout. Some of the other textures we have are an abominable snowman, which we're going to completely cover with a wireframe model. We have this we're going to use for fur, for an Eskimo clothing or hats. We have another full afro we can use. This is just a texture we can use for an upholstery or clothing. Some fire for use with the vehicle. This glass here, we figure we can take this and possibly use it for the windshield just by sampling the glass. Some ice effects which we can use to send out through the map and cover the ground. A leaf which we can actually cover with snow that we have. Here's some more snow that we can use for certain areas of the ground. Metal textures we can use for vehicles, any other objects that may require that. Here's another penguin that we're going to wrap around another wireframe model, another one of the enemies that's going to be in the game. This is just a rubber texture, which our main vehicle in the game is going to be a rocket-powered inner tube, which the character Sam finds. This is going to be the texture we apply for the inner tube portion, and we're just going to change the color for it. Here's some skin textures we can apply to the characters, and we have a few different snows depending on the area and how we want to manipulate that. Here's a mountain or two. These will be shown depending on the angle of the map. We can change the background with either one of those. And then we have a few different tire treads that we can use for the car. And finally, water, which we can use for puddles or lakes, anything that we want to melt. And then we can just multiply it to make it more realistic. And finally, for our sound effects, most of them were found online, and we found sounds that would fit our project, and a few of them we actually recorded ourselves. And that's about it. We look forward to working with you guys.